65, reading practice number 3. Dear Mr. Yates, we think you will be interested in the results that one of our clients obtained by advertising in our magazine, The Flying Age, period. From 5 ads in which the company announced and explained a new, carefully designed private plane, they receive almost 2,000 inquiries, period. These inquiries eventually resulted in over $150,000 worth of new business, period. These ads represented an investment of about $1,000, paragraph. Almost everyone who reads The Flying Age is a potential buyer of aviation equipment, period. Each month, our magazine goes to more than 300,000 people who are interested in aviation, period. By the end of this year, we hope to reach between 400,000 and 450,000 readers, period. See for yourself, Mr. Yates, period. Let one of our representatives tell you more about the advantages of advertising in The Flying Age, period. You will be making no mistake, period. Very truly yours,